What I bring to you today is the shutter mold. The plate in the video is a 1.2 mm cold plate. The size of the shutter is 80 × 10. Let's take a look at the preparations and precautions before installing the shutter mold. First, we will loosen the screws on the guide rails and set the machine to manual mode. With the help of guide rings, we match the upper and lower molds. We must insert the guide rings completely into the upper and lower molds, and then ensure that the molds are fully closed. We then tighten the screws of the guide rail to prevent the lower mold of the louver from moving left and right when bending and punching. Then we adjust the parameters of the CNC system and we can operate normally. If you have different opinions, please leave your message on the right. Next, we will take a look at the display of the finished product, the punching effect, no burrs, and one-time molding. Generally speaking, the speed is not fast, so the quantity is not large. Just use it. If the quantity is large, it is recommended to contact me directly to purchase the assembly line operation.